Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be my plan with me. We're gonna do this a little bit differently. I am injured. Ugh. I have my foot all bandaged up. If you follow me on Twitter, or not Twitter, I do have a Twitter, but I don't really use it. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know I hurt myself. I fell off a stool while trying to change the cartridge on my printer, and I twisted my ankle and then slammed my back up against the wall, and I ended up having to pop a rib back into place. And so I'm very, very sore right now. It literally happened maybe 4 or 5 hours ago, but I wanted to get this up for you guys, so I'm going to. I am using the pink lemonade kit from my shop here, and I'm not using the full kit. I'm just using 4 of the 6 pages. So I'm using the full boxes, the bottom washi and the checklists, the littles and the half boxes, and the header page. And then I have some script stickers here for myself also. So this plan with me is going to be different, that I'm just going to put the whole thing over music. I don't have a ton going on. Nothing's really going on until next week. So this is just a work week of working on the shop stuff. So I hope you enjoy this video.